Hey, how are you? And welcome back to today's video. I am going to be sharing with you my Amazon favorites. I don't know if you knew this, but Amazon Prime Day is on the 12th and 13th of July. I also wanted to share that I am doing this collaboration with Amazon. As you guys know, Amazon reached out to me and they allowed for me to choose products that I can share with my audience to better their everyday. Everything that I'm going to mention in the video is going to be linked down below. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys are products that I don't see a lot of people posting about, but a lot of people have issues with sleep. And this is something that is so common and it is so normal, but a lot of it I think has to do with stress. And I don't know, when you just lay in bed, you have so many thoughts going on at the same time. So there are things that you can do to help you just relax and fall asleep better. So I wanted to tell you guys about this product. This is Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath with pure Epsom salt. This is one, and then this is the second one. This is the Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath Pure Epsom Salt as well, but this one has shea butter and almond oil. So sleep is very important. If you don't sleep, it affects your everyday relationships because you're always in a bad mood. It affects like your skin tremendously. When you don't get enough sleep, you look more tired. You get fine lines, you could get wrinkles even easier. And also, the naps that you take during the day are not the same as the sleep that you take at night, and you should sleep 7 to 9 hours. Don't consider yourself lucky if you can sleep 5 or 6. You have to make time to sleep, and not everybody needs the same amount of sleep in order to wake up feeling refreshed and feeling better. When you sleep at night, all those cells throughout your body are regenerating, and if you get good sleep, then your skin is going to look more awake. So the next product that I want to tell you about is this Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, and this is to fight humidity. The reason why I chose this product is because here in Florida, there is a lot of humidity all throughout the year. It's an eternal summer, and I do my hair myself. I don't go to a salon and get my hair done, so having access to products that can really help my hair just look nice when I go outside and I look like a frisbee are always welcomed. There is a process for this product. You do have to wash your hair, and then you have to towel dry your hair. So this is a spray, and what you're gonna do is that you're going to apply it evenly on layers of your hair. And then what you're gonna do is that you are going to get a blow dryer and a brush, or you can just use, I have one by Revlon, I'll show you guys. I have this one. I went to the beach today, so that's why my hair is curly, and this is my natural hair. But you can use one of these, which is great. And then what activates the product is the heat. So if you apply this product and then you go in with a blow dryer, it is supposed to help you with humidity. Yes, I did notice that it helped me a lot, but what I didn't notice was that it didn't last 3 to 4 uses like it says. In the back it says that it long-lasting use after 3 to 4 shampoos. So for me, that didn't work. I think it's because I haven't used it so many times and my hair's not accustomed to it. But other than that, if you want to get your hair done and you want for it to look nice, this is a very nice product that you can get your hands on. The bottle does look a little bit small, but a little bit goes a long way. And now that my hair's shorter, I really don't need that much. So this is an award-winning product. It's available on Amazon, and if you do your hair at home and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a salon, this is one of those products that are going to become a staple in your everyday routine. So now I want to tell you guys about beauty sponges. So beauty sponges are designed to help you apply foundation on. You can apply blush, you can apply contour, anything that is cream or even powder underneath your eyes or here to bake. You can use a beauty sponge for that. They used to be super expensive when they came out, and I want to show you guys the ones that I got. I'm using them, guys. So here it is. It comes in a pack of 5, and it has several colors. And what's great about this is that You can use one to apply foundation, you can use the other one to apply blush, and you can use the other ones or just save them for whenever you need them. And why are beauty sponges so important? If you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, the fact that you are applying foundation with a sponge which is damp is going to hydrate your skin, and it's really going to press on the product onto your skin, and that's going to go into your pores so that everything looks a lot smoother and a lot more airbrushed, which is the idea. If you're starting out with makeup, don't use your hands, because I'm guilty of that. I started using my fingers to apply my foundation. Use a beauty sponge instead, and it is going to help you in your everyday routine, because you're going to notice that the foundation looks a lot nicer. And the same thing for blush. If you want something that is super dewy, super natural, what you can do is just apply the blush onto the back of your hand. If you have a mist, apply it onto the beauty sponge, which has to be damp, and then just dab it and apply it on your cheeks, and it is going to look beautiful, super dewy. You're gonna have that Marianela glow, not J-Lo glow, Marianela glow all throughout your cheeks, and they are going to look just beautiful. So I hope that all of these tips helped you and that you learned something valuable, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care. Bye.